You want to listen to me or you want to keep on talking? Okay, you have to start with your demography. However, follow your questionnaire. If it starts with demography, you start with the demography. Everyone should have your own laptop and your own data, even though that this is group work. Because next week during the semester break, I will give you your individual assignment data. Each one will be getting different data, and you need to do your recording for your individual work. Okay? So if you don't learn today, you will be unable to do it individually. Sebab itu saya minta semua orang kena ada laptop dan do the assessment on your own. Okay. So demography. Start with that first. Alright, the following one is the scale. Right? Which comprise of the items of your variables. These are the items. Items mean that each question. If your variable have, each variable should have 5 at least the question. However, if you guys have settled with only 3, pun tak apa. It's okay. Just proceed to whatever that you have.